Why now is potentially a great time to get into the crypto markets. You've been complaining that the ETH price was too high, XRP was too high, Bitcoin was just too high, and now look, you're offered with, a $2,400 Ethereum. You were bullish on Ethereum when it was 3.7k, 3.8k. Maybe you were someone that bought in December, January, and you've only known markets that move down. Well, I want to talk about what I think is going to happen in this particular market. And I also think there's some heavy manipulation going on behind the scenes. This doesn't feel like an ordinary crypto crash. So let's talk about it. If you're new here, subscribe should you wish to hit your crypto goals. And overall, I'm still excited and I still think we've got fuel left in this bull market to see decent continuation to the upside. Now, for me, buying the fear, buying the big dips, buying those 20-30% corrections, it's something that's really valuable and something I've always sort of deployed as a strategy to dollar cost average in and capitalize on the fear within the market. Now, if we look at very quickly Bitcoin and Ethereum, also we can see, look, there's extreme fear in this market now. It's absolutely gross. If you're like a retailer, if you're new to this market, this is going to feel absolutely disgusting. If you're someone that's been around for a while, you're kind of over it. And if you bought in the bear market, you're still very much protected against any heavy volatility as well. Also, just want to shout out very quickly, guys, to the patrons over here. Look, you're still making wins on a daily basis, every single day, trading signals, making you guys insane wins like you can see on the screen right here. Join Jacob's Crypto Clan. We've also got a $3,000 giveaway that we're doing. As little as $4 a month will get you into the Patreon where you can get yourself some juicy signals and make more money in this market. Now, overall, let's look what happened. You can see Bitcoin has been absolutely wiped out from the top. And let's remember, there was a Bybit hack not long ago. They lost over $1 billion. So what we can see is Bitcoin actually came down 21% now, which is quite a major correction. Quite a major correction indeed. We're still not come down that low for Bitcoin, luckily. I still think there's potential to see $75,000 before really climbing back to the upside, but I highly doubt that is going to happen. But looking at the BLX, we've floated down from 108k down to like $89,000. If we look at Ethereum, however, this is really shocking. The correction is much larger here, in my honest opinion. And I think when we drag up the percentage here, we're going to see that it has corrected heavier, just slightly. It came down 47%. Let's call it about 42% for Ethereum. But what we can see Ethereum doing is it's sort of skating along this diagonal support over and over again. It gets very close to this diagonal support, and usually it bounces off this diagonal support time and time again. So we could potentially see a bounce to like 2.7k soon. We do need the market to resume soon. We can't have this level of fear hold for too long, because we will get more downside. People will get bored, exit their positions, frustration kicks in and whatnot. But the fact that we did bounce off of 2.3k, even that is quite reassuring. Hopefully it's just not a dead cat bounce, but yeah, clearly a lot of support around that region there. So we can see it's still following plan in the sense that ETH is still printing higher lows and kind of like higher highs simultaneously. So you can see like an example here, come down, correction, impulse up, come down, we produce a higher low, come all the way up, we come down, produce a higher low. And, we did sort of produce, I would say, a lower low on this occasion, but could we call it an anomalous event? It's a possibility. And the reason is that, I was doing some research. Why did the market crash? It could be linked to the Bybit hack here. And it says all market manipulation. So step one, the exchanges that bailed out Bybit loaned their money back, but then liquidated all their customers' longs while Bybit shorted the market. Two, they coordinated a sell-off, dumping Ethereum and Solana to drive prices all the way down. Wintermute is involved. Three, other exchanges don't want Bybit to collapse, as it could trigger an FTX-style meltdown and a bear market. Instead, they bail out Bybit, wipe out longs, profit off their shorts, and stabilize the market. Classic manipulation. If there were regulations, this would be illegal. But in crypto, it's just another day of free markets. In the end, they print more money, help Bybit repay its loans, collect interest, and keep the market from total collapse. And here, another thing to keep in mind, Trump and Elon want to audit the Federal Gold Reserve at Fort Knox. The gold is missing. If the gold is missing or misreported, it could send shockwaves through the financial system. And this is another thing I also do worry about with gold. It's, there could be a lot of gold out there that nobody knows about. Why not? So that's also quite interesting to see. Now, why do I think it's a good time to potentially buy in? If this manipulation is true, it will only last for so long of this downside play. When it will be over, I don't know. But someone is stopping these markets from fully collapsing and fully dying, as in coming down to like a $1,000 ETH. That would be an absolute disaster, and it would just be insane. It's not impossible. It really isn't, but we're seeing a correction where altcoins are down 40, 50%. Some of your favorite coins, XRP, XLM, SU, SAY, HBAR, Quant. There's a bunch of them. And right now, it could be a good time to get in. So I'm not letting this fool me. I bought $10,000 worth of Solana today, comfortably, happily, because I do believe that, there is some sort of manipulation in this market. Anyways, guys, please do consider becoming a patron if you want to make more money in the market. Just showing you some more of these wins, as you can see. Glorious wins every single day, helping make people like you more money from your laptop, phone, wherever you are in the world. You can see people have gone short on the market as well recently following our calls. And yeah, you've got so much other juicy insights in Jacob's Crypto Clan. We're now sitting at 40.1k members in the Discord. Let's get up to 45k. Let's get our community even bigger, even stronger. And yeah, see you very soon, guys. Remember, you can still make money when the markets are moving down. We'll see you soon. Subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends. Let them know why the market is getting all rocky, and we'll see you soon.